Okay, so this is the Part-Time Virtual Assistant Academy Learning Portal. So if we go through the Learning Portal, I'll just show you exactly what's included. So we have an introduction section, just sort of introducing me, my experience, introducing what it is to be a VA and how to specialize as well, and why specializing is important. Then we go through some different specializations so you can really decide on your niche. Then we go through how to price yourself and what to include in your services. Then we go through how to create your offers. Then we go through branding and presentation, so how to present your offers. Then we're going through how to work with clients. So I've included a Notion CRM database in here for you as well so that you can get up and running quickly and working with clients. We've got how to find projects and work. So if you were to go into each of these, you'll see that there's quite a lot of videos going through all different platforms, all different methods, and we've also got templates, etc. as well. Then we've got a lesson on how to map out your business. Then we've got the tech tutorials. So in the tech tutorials, you can learn each piece of technology. It's like a step-by-step tutorial just to walk you through them and show you exactly how they work. So at the moment, we have Notion, Vela, Loom, and Zoom. But I'm currently working on Zendesk, TidyCal, Facebook Group Management, Zapier for Beginners, Canva for Business, MailerLite, System.io, ChatGPT for Beginners, and Flowdesk. So they're the ones that I will be having up in the group very, very soon. Then we've also got resources, and there's also replays of any live Q&As in here as well. We've got limited time bonuses, so anything that we're offering people as a special to sign up are in here, and then they will be getting removed over time, so that's why it says limited time bonuses. So I always advise my members to download those straight away. And then we've got all important information and links here. So if you needed to cancel, change your details, etc., it's all in here. Links to the free Facebook group, the paid group, and then frequently asked questions and how to submit questions or submit a request for training, etc. So there's quite a bit in the portal. There is going to be a lot more in the portal as well over time. We're just going to keep building it out. So at the moment, that is the Part-Time Virtual Assistant Academy.